Hello, and welcome back to the Mass Academy Law Club YouTube channel. This is the video on the components of a criminal offense part 3. Make sure to check out the previous video in this series in the top right-hand corner. Justification defenses, a category of affirmative, allege that the defendant committed a wrongful act. However, in each instance, the defendant claims to have acted correctly. For example, in the case of Keiko versus Bryony, it was established that a person must use reasonable force to defend themselves. However, if a felony is being committed against that person, then they may use lethal force. In an excused defense, the defendant admits to have acted unlawfully but argues that no criminal liability should be imposed. This is because the specific circumstances accompanying the instance. A person who commits a criminal act may assert that they would be killed if they didn't. This defense is called duress/coercion. Other defenses are called entrapment, intoxication, or insanity. A criminal trial only begins after several preliminary steps are taken. A criminal investigation begins when officers investigate a reported crime or a crime found through their own initiative. The investigation establishes whether or not there actually was a crime and gathers evidence. Officers must follow the rules of procedure when conducting their investigations. An arrest occurs when the police take someone into holding to stand for criminal charges. An arrest must be made in a reasonable manner, and the force employed must be proportional to the circumstances surrounding the arrest. If police officers intend to make an arrest in a suspect's home, they must first get an arrest warrant from a judge. An arrest warrant may only be issued if four circumstances are met. The evidence supports the belief that probable cause exists to believe that a crime had been committed and that the suspect is a probable culprit. Arrest can also be made on probable cause. Probable cause is a reasonable belief that a crime has been committed. Part of a criminal investigation is questioning suspects with the aim of finding out who committed a crime. The privilege against self-incrimination still holds, even in interrogations. In general, only statements that are made voluntarily are allowed in court. If officers conduct an interrogation without letting you know of your Miranda rights, then the court will throw out the statement. Officers may search people and property in order to find evidence needed for a criminal investigation. For a search and seizure, police officers require probable cause, which is presented to a magistrate who issues a search warrant. A search warrant must be specific and specifically descriptive, and officers are prohibited from searching outside of what the warrant lets the officer search. By watching this video, you are supporting the Mass Academy Law Club. The Mass Academy Law Club is a student-run organization that aims to give everyone a fair shot at learning the law. Make sure to like and subscribe. Turn on the bell button for notifications on future videos. Leave a comment. Let us know what you thought and any other videos you would like to see us make. Share this video with anyone who needs help on the topic.